Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Entering the grounds of the National Law Enforcement Officers Memorial at Judiciary Square, the atmosphere of the city changes instantly. While the surrounding streets are filled with the heavy limestone of courthouses and the movement of the legal district, this 3-acre site offers a space of profound quiet and reflection. Dedicated in 1991, the memorial is a stunning example of how landscape architecture can be used to tell a deeply personal and ongoing story. Unlike many of the city's monuments that honor specific leaders or past wars, this is a living memorial, updated every year to honor those who have fallen in the line of duty. As you walk along the curving blue-grey marble walls, the first thing you notice is the sheer scale of the names. There are tens of thousands of them, carved in a simple, elegant script. The walls don't stand as a barrier, instead they curve gracefully, echoing the shapes of the surrounding buildings and creating a sense of embrace. The path you're walking is known as the Path of Honor, and as you move along it, the names seem to ripple like water. There is no chronological or alphabetical order here that defines the whole. Instead, the names are added as they are received, creating a tapestry of service that spans centuries of American history. The symbolism of the memorial is woven into every detail. At the 4 entrances to the site stand powerful bronze statues of lions, 2 males and 2 females, each watching over a pair of cubs. These figures represent the protective nature of law enforcement, but they also symbolize the families left behind. The lions are majestic and stoic, their presence adding a layer of classical strength to the modern lines of the marble. Between the walls, the spaces are filled with lush greenery and rows of linden trees, which provide a soft canopy that filters the light and dampens the noise of the nearby traffic. One of the most moving aspects of this walk is the evidence of the people who visit. It is common to see small tokens left along the base of the walls, a single rose, a police patch, a handwritten note, or a rubbing made by a family member onto a piece of paper. These small acts of remembrance transform the cold stone into a living connection between the past and the present. It also reminds you that every name in this wall represents a story, a family, and a community. Standing in the center of the memorial, you realize its unique position in the city's geography. It sits directly above the metro station and is surrounded by the very courts and agencies where the law is interpreted and enforced. It acts as a bridge between the abstract concept of justice and the human cost of maintaining it. As you complete your walk and head back towards the street, the transition back into the bustling Washington feels different. You carry with you the weight of the names and the quiet strength of the lions. This memorial isn't just a place of mourning, it's a place of immense respect, standing as a permanent tribute to the men and women who served as the thin blue line in the heart of the nation's capital.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.